Hi, so today I would be talking about a very basic but very handy tool, which is how to find the latest information on Google. So let's start with a keyword. Let's suppose COVID-19, which is nowadays quite common. Everybody's talking about coronavirus now. If we write it down in the search box and press the search, we see quite huge, overwhelming information, around 3.1 billion results. So it's quite huge. It's a lot of pages down there. Now, if you want to, it's impossible to go through all these pages, and it's quite hard to see what's actually published quite recently, like a few hours ago. If you are a journalist or if you are market researcher, so you may be more interested in what happened quite recently, a few hours ago. And now to do that, it's quite hard through this way. So there is a handy tool. Let's suppose if you click on tools, we see an option. It's called anytime. So we can change the time according to our needs, like what we want to look for: past hours, 24 hours, and then weeks, months, year. And then we can even click on the that custom range option and make sure that put even the timings here manually, or can go through the calendar. Now let's suppose if we click on the past hour, that would filter all the information, the pages, which is around 3.1 billion, into quite a small number of pages. So that would be quite handy to quickly go through, and if you want to write about it, we can do that. And now we can actually do that for the news. Let's suppose if you click on the news, because the all option include everything, which include news, videos, probably blogs, and all those other sources. But let's suppose if you click on the news, if you go to tools, and click the option recent in the past hour, then all the news will be here, which is published over the last 24 hours. We can even do that for images. Remember, images is quite useful source of information. Some people just oversight them. They just probably don't give much weightage, but they are quite powerful tools. They may be in the form of tables, in the form of charts or graphs. We can do the same thing here. Click on tools and going to time. We can change the time, let's suppose past 24 hours. And then we can see, here we go. So we can clearly see a lot of useful info, charts, maps, infographs, and all those kind of different materials. So we can do this for the videos. If there are latest videos published, we can actually do that. We can choose the timing, it's past hour, and we can see all the latest videos here, not just from the YouTube, but from other websites. And then even we have some more options, which are books related to finance, shoppings, and all those different other options. Hope it could be useful, and hope that you will start using that in the future. Thank you.